Yes, my dear children, now today is the day to see numerical problems of our unit 3rd, magnetic effect of current, magnetism and matter, NCERT chapter number 4th and 5th. Some numerical we had done in our last module. Now today also we are going to see some more numerical problems. So please come and open your NCERT textbook. First, in NCERT chapter number 4, and see that in that chapter the problem is that we have done 4.1 to 4.8. Now today I am going to see a question number 4.9 of magnetic effect of current. A square coil of side, 10 centimeter consists of a 20 turns. It gives here and 20 turns and carries a current of 12 ampere. This type of question may be based on numerical side, or it may come as a case study question. Some lines are there and small part may be asked in multiple choice question. 12 ampere is the current. The coil is suspended vertically and normal to the plane of the coil makes an angle 30 degree with a direction of uniform horizontal field of magnitude 0.80 Tesla. These are the things given, my dear children, here. So it asks, what is the magnitude of the torque? What is the magnitude of the torque experienced by the coil? Magnitude of the torque, if you want to find out, you have a formula, my dear children, that is torque is equal to beta sin theta. My dear children, it is my request to all of you, write all the formulas of all the chapter which we had seen on a page, one chapter, one page. The torque is equal to beta sin theta, put all the values, you will get the result. Here it is B, here it is I, here it is N, and here is theta. All are given. The torque आ जाएगा बच्चों यहाँ पर 0.96 न्यूटन मीटर. 0.96 न्यूटन मीटर. This is our question number 4.9. 10, 11, 13 सब easy questions हैं. You see the question number 4.17 of the same chapter of your NCERT textbook, that is page number 170. So dear children, a toroid has a core of inner radius. A toroid has a core of inner radius 25 centimeter. Question number 4.17, page number 170 of your NCERT. So my dear children, and the outer radius is 26 centimeter, around which 3500 turns of a wire are wound. If the current flows here is 11 ampere, a current here is an 11 ampere, what is the magnetic field? This is again a case study question, maybe in which some lines are there and 3 to 4 questions may be asked. So my dear children who wants to go in the deep study of physics must prepare at least 5 questions, case study question from each chapter. Say this is a case study question in which first It asks what is the magnetic field outside the toroid. What is the magnetic field outside the toroid? Say the options A, B, C and D are there. You may write in this way. But outside the toroid we know very well there is no magnetic field, so I can say whatever the answer, say it is 0, infinity, 1, 5, कुछ भी लिख दो. The answer is 0 here. Similarly, we can say what is the magnetic field inside the core of the solenoid. Inside the core of the solenoid, the formula here it is mu 0 n I. Mu 0 n I. N here is the number of turns, that is n, and the circumference of the toroid is 2 pi r. To put it here, n is equal to n divided by 2 pi r. All these values you are having. Put the value mu naught 4 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 7 and solve it. You will get the answer around 3.02 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 Tesla. Here. Then, my dear children, what is the magnetic field in the empty space surrounded by the toroid? The empty space surrounded by the toroid, again it is 0. So these are very easy questions to prepare as a case study question. 4.17, 4.1, 4.22. Write these question number, definitely you have to do it. See one more question, 4.27, 4.28. See 4.28, we are going to see how we can do it. Question number 4.28. Dear children, at page number 172, 4.22 करिएगा. 4.28, a galvanometer coil has a resistance of 15 ohm. A galvanometer coil has a resistance दिया हुआ आपको 15 ohm. Then a meter shows full scale deflection for a current of 4 milliampere. 4 milliampere means 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 ampere. How will you convert the meter into an ammeter of range 0 to 6 ampere? बच्चों करंट दिया हुआ 6 एम्पियर, गैल्वेनोमीटर करंट दिया हुआ 4 मिली एम्पियर, that you may write 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 ampere. Then, my dear children, to convert a galvanometer into an ammeter, we have to use a small resistance, we may call shunt resistance, to be connected in parallel with the galvanometer. So the formula, you must know the value of the shunt resistance with these values, Ig into G divided by I minus Ig. This is there. All the values you are having, put it here and get it the answer. That is around 0.001 ohm. So dear children, this is the way. It's a very important question or 1 mark question. So be ready for this. Now, so these are the questions you have to perform from this chapter. Then see the NCERT textbook. Chapter number 5, Magnetism and Matter. So numerical based on NCERT. Chapter 5, that is magnetism and matter. Yes, my dear children, see here question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2 are both very easy. See question number 5.3 at page number 200. 5.3 at page number 200. What is that? Just see that. Dear children, a short bar magnet placed with its axis at a 30 degree, ये आपको दिया हुआ है, with a uniform external magnetic field, say 0.5 Tesla, experience a torque of magnitude equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule. What is the magnitude of magnetic moment of the magnet? Magnitude of the magnetic moment, my dear children, torque is equal to, हमने फॉर्मूला निकाला है, mb sin theta. टॉर्क इज इक्वल टू एम बी साइन थीटा आ गया. तो m अगर आपको निकालना है तो टॉर्क डिवाइडेड बाय b sin थीटा. दिस इज देयर. So dear children, put all the values. Torque you are having this, B this, and sin 30. Put it the value here and get it the answer. It is very important now, my dear children. This year the pattern of paper is multiple choice question, case study question, a certain reasoning question of first 50% syllabus, and this exam to be conducted by CBSE in the month of November or December. Now come to the next question, say question number 5.5. See the next question, question number 5.5. Dear children, it is on the same page number 200. A closely wound solenoid, एक आपको solenoid दी हुई है, having a number of turns 800. You know very well, my dear children, most of the students know me very well to how to solve the numericals. First write the given things in the left hand side. 800 turns, area of cross section 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4, that is meter square. Carries a current 3.0 ampere. Explain the sense in which the solenoid act like a bar magnet. Solenoid act like a bar magnet. ये आपको दिया हुआ है. तो what is the associated magnetic moment? The formula for the magnetic moment, my dear children, that is NIA. This is a very important formula. NIA. N is the number of turns, I is the current, and the area it is given. The sense is determined by the direction of current. So this is a very simple question. Do it. Then, my dear children, see that question number 5.8, 5.7, 5.9, 5.10, all are easy questions. So you all do it. 5.8 on same page number. A closely wound solenoid of 2000 turns, it is given, and area of cross section 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 4, carrying a current 4.0 ampere, suspended through its center, allowing it to turn in a horizontal plane. These lines may be given as a case study. 3 या 4 लाइन दे दी जाएगी और 3 या 4 questions may be asked. First question, if I ask from this case study question, what is the magnetic moment associated with the solenoid? The magnetic moment associated with the solenoid. Dear children, again use the same formula that we had used earlier. M is equal to NIA. N is the number of turns, I is the current, A is the area of cross section. This is question number first. 4 options may be given, out of which one option is correct. So you can write answer of one question. This question may be called as a case study question, in which what is the direction of M? How can you find out? For the sense of current using right-handed rule. So it may be asked what is right-handed rule. So you can write here. Then my dear children, what is the force and torque? Question number 3. First it may ask what is the torque on the solenoid if a uniform oriental magnetic field 7.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Tesla is set up at an angle of 30 degree with the axis of the solenoid. 4 अलग अलग बातें पूछ ली जाती है. So you use a formula here. Torque is equal to mb sin theta. Put all the value here. m बच्चों आपने ऊपर निकाला है अभी 1.28. The value of 1.28 हमने इससे ऊपर वाले प्रश्न में निकाला है. b 7.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 and sin 30 degree. तो ये आ गया बच्चों. Put it here. अगर लास्ट में पूछूं what is the force here? We are talking in a uniform magnetic field. So in a uniform magnetic field the force is 0. So answer you may write F is equal to 0. Yes. Question number 9, 10. All are easy question. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So dear children, do it. Now we are going to see one more question I am taking here. Say the question number, I am doing this question number 5.9. Question number 5.9. See all the questions. I will take care of question number 5.9 here. Yes. A circular coil of 16 turns and radius 10 centimeter carrying a current 0.75 ampere rests with its plane normal to the external field of magnitude 5 into 10 raised to minus Tesla. ये भी एक केस स्टडी क्वेश्चन बन सकता है जिसमें कुछ लाइंस आपको दी हुई है. Here is the magnitude of magnetic field. The coil is free to turn about an axis in its plane perpendicular to the field direction. ऐसे नहीं ऐसे मूव कर रही है. Perpendicular to the field direction. When the coil is turned slightly and released, coil को थोड़ा घुमा करके छोड़ दिया, it will twist like this. It oscillates about the stable equilibrium, say with the frequency 2.0 per second. What is the moment of inertia of the coil about its axis of rotation? जो आपको निकालना है moment of inertia. This we are going to find out. Again read the question carefully. See that what are the things given here. Now, formula for the frequency here, my dear children, nu is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root of mb upon I. ये फॉर्मूला आपको यहाँ याद रखना है. स्क्वायर बोथ द साइड 1 upon 4 pi square mb upon I. I comes out to be mb divided by 4 pi square nu square. This is the formula here. This is the formula. ये हमने नहीं पढ़ा है लेकिन ये अपने को इस क्वेश्चन में यहां पर याद करना है. m is equal to nia. Here m is equal to nia. N is the number of turns, I is the current, A is the area of cross section, N दिया हुआ है, रेडियस आपको दी हुई है 0.10 मीटर, दिस इज 0.10 मीटर, करंट दिया हुआ है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड दिया हुआ है एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी आपको दी हुई है, ऑल द थिंग्स आर गिवन, बस ये निकाल लीजिए पहले आप m, नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स 16, current 0.75, then what is here? A 10 centimeter, pi r square, 10 centimeter, ये फॉर्मूला लगा है ना, रेडियस इज हियर, दिस इज pi into 10, 16 into 0.75 into 22 by 7 into 10 into 10 raised to power minus 2 the whole square. This is there. So my dear children, with the help of this formula, you can find out here what is m. Then put in these values I बराबर mb, ये all the things are given. दिस इज में कैपिटल लिख दीजिए आप इसको, तो आपके कैपिटल एम आपने निकाल लिया उधर, पुट ऑल द वैल्यूज हियर, पुट इट हियर. डियर चिल्ड्रन, व्हेन यू पुट इट हियर you can easily find out the moment of inertia. You know the unit of moment of inertia? Kilogram into meter square. That will be around 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay, so this is the way to sort out the numerical problems. May you can prepare a case study question. Okay, bye.